and welcome to my new Guitar Nerdery video. I'm gonna show you how you can pep up your strumming to play more dynamically. I want you to think about playing strumming guitar more dynamically. How can you achieve that? Very often I hear guitar players strumming like this. Hitting all strings all the time. But it can actually sound better when you don't do that. Dynamic in strumming guitar is not only the difference between quiet and loud, but also between low and high. You can split a chord in two frequency parts, a low part and a high part. I mean this is low and you have high. And when you alternate between those two parts, you get also a kind of dynamic. That would be my first right hand exercise for you, to try not to hit all the strings all the time, but to alternate between the low and the high part. And you can do it on the 4 beats. Low, high, low, high. And when that starts to feel good, you can go one step further and try to fade from low to high, like this. And to get one more groove component, one more variation into your strumming, integrate also a backbeat. That's cool. The 2 and the 4, like what the snare of the drum does. When that starts to feel good, you're ready to add some rests or accents on the upbeats or whatever, like this. That is so much fun to do, also with a metronome. This was it for today. I hope you have fun with practicing, and I'm looking forward to see you next week. And please like and subscribe.